Hi, good morning. Today, may sakit si Luna. Actually, this is her third day na. So, she's feeling better. Hi, Luna. Are you feeling better today? Tapos, I called in sick sa work 2 days ago. Tapos parang I felt guilty kasi parang, yung parang kasi ayaw mo umabsent. Tapos, all of a sudden, you have a child that's sick. Siyempre, obligado kang, you know, to call in sick anyways. So, parang nafe-feel guilty ka. Pero parang feeling ko, it's not right to feel guilty about it. Kasi sometimes, we have to show up for them as a parent that day. Kasi work can wait naman. But it doesn't mean na maging, sloppy ka sa work na anytime na sumakit lang yung ulo mo, ayaw mo nang pumasok. Hindi naman ganun, di ba? Pero parang sometimes, when you enjoy your work so much, no, parang feeling mo, you're missing out on something pagka ganyang nag-call in sick ka kasi nga may anak ka na may sakit. And sometimes we think na ay ang boring sa bahay kasi para nagbabantay ka lang ng may sakit. Pero in fact, yun ang moments na we have to kind of really hold and treasure those small moments na
오.
hindi na iniisip natin na parang it's just a small thing, but it's actually not. It's what makes life actually. Right, Luna? And what's best is that also what makes her life, her mornings, her day, yun din ang what means the world to her, yung moments like this na magkasama lang kayo na wala naman kayong ginagawa, inaalagaan nyo. Parang inaalagaan nyo lang yung isa't isa, pinapakain mo, you try your best to make her feel better. But I think she's also ready for school tomorrow. So wala lang, nagmumuni-muni lang ako. Parang naisip ko kasi parang bakit kaya tayo nagigilty? Pagka ganyang feeling mo, umabsent ka sa work, tapos you're missing out, di ba? Naalala ko nung kabataan ko, parang feeling ko tamad na tamad akong pumasok sa trabaho. Yung parang ayoko pumasok sa trabaho kasi parang nakakatamad. Pero once you try to accept that, just find some small things to enjoy during your work, and then you internalize na it actually those are the things that actually matters, you will start to feel like you can enjoy your work actually little by little. Talaga, totoo. So parang feeling ko, nag-enjoy ako pumasok sa work. So ngayon nag-call in sick ako, parang nagigilty ako. Pero I shouldn't. Siyempre, of course, I showed up as a mom for her to this past 2 days. So hopefully, kayo rin, pag kami na-experience din kayo mga ganito, you can take this video as a kind of like reflection moment on how you can actually deal with those negative emotions. Yun lang.